Good morning, guys. So pardon my lateness today. Can hear from my voice. I'm feeling a bit under the weather, feeling sick. Um, but I didn't want to miss this. I didn't want to miss the daily outlook. So, uh, pardon again, just in case my voice is a bit coarse or you know, or you can't hear me properly or something. Not feeling too well. So it's gonna be a short video, guys. So let's get right into it. First of all, we have Euro USD, and we can see Euro USD has uh, kept breaking the lows. We broke this monthly open here for September. Let's delete that. Now we're retracing into um this overall buy before the sell. So then, for me, I'm just looking for short positions because we took out this major high, this high right here, and after that, what can we expect? A retracement, right? And that's what's going on. And now we've been breaking the fractal lows, and now we're just retracing. So for me, I'm just looking for, okay, where's liquidity? Because I know, okay, in this move down, there's no liquidity. So I'm just looking for a liquidity high that we can take out. Once we take out this high over here, then I would be looking for that change of character. So perhaps higher prices, and then maybe we start to break the lows, and we can start looking for those shorts from there. So I want this high to be taken, and if we see that change of character in there, then we would go with it. If you look at DXY, the dollar index, yes, last week, if you remember, we drew this in last week, right? So we wanted the break of this high retracement. Now we're having that retracement using this area as our sell before the buy. So you can see there was no liquidity right here. So I would be waiting for this low to be taken out, perhaps, and then maybe we see that change of character to enable us to take more long positions. Okay, guys. Um, on GBP USD, similar story too. So as you can see, the immediate order flow is towards the downside. So for me, I'll just be looking for this grab of this high, and then from there we can start looking for those sells if we see a change of character giving us that confirmation entry. Let's keep that in mind. Sorry about that, guys. Oh, you were using earpiece. For NU has been so bearish, like so fundamentally bearish. But what can we see here? We retrace into this area of demand, this major area of demand, right here. So for me, I will just be waiting for that change of character, perhaps. So on this one, I would be only interested in short if we sweep this high, similar thing. But I suspect that we could just keep on going higher and higher because remember, guys, we have this strong area of liquidity, but also our immediate order flow is bearish. So let's watch that. Sorry, strong area of demand. Let's watch NU and let's see how it goes. Perhaps for dollar short, but I'm not really a big fan. I'm interested more in EU and GU. If you look at AUD USD also, let's this chart is not really clear, but if we look to our left, we have this area of demand, this sell before this buy up that broke market structure, right? And so for me, I would be targeting this area of demand to come into, right? So we've actually even wicked into it. So now we just retrace back into the quarterly open, which which can act as resistance. Let's see, we have this demand area, supply area rather, here, and liquidity above it, so we can grab that liquidity and then get that change of character and we sell towards the downside, or from here we can start selling. So let's watch and see what happens. If we start from here, I'm not really interested because there's no liquidity, right, to target these lows, these equal lows, or this one right here, Okay. Sorry if you cannot hear me properly. I'm struggling. For USDJ price, you can see we're in the range. We broke the range. Now we pushed up. So for me, I would just be looking for perhaps liquidation of this low, and then connection with this demand area. Remember, we're just looking for um, these highs to get swiped. They got swiped last week. So for me, I'm just looking for the longs into the upside. Let's see how that goes. So we want this liquidity low to be taken out, and then that change of character. Okay, guys. Here's the card. We're also in a range, and then we broke out. So we took out this high, and then we broke out. So after taking out the high, now we have that retracement that we expect. So we have here this area of demand, uh, which also coincides with the wedge trend line, right? So let's see, perhaps we grab this liquidity, come into here, and then we look for those further buys up. I'm not interested in shorting it yet until we see a change of character, and then perhaps underneath this 75 we can start looking for those shorts. USD CHF. Oh my goodness. USD CHF, right? So you can see we have this trend line. We have 1, 2, 3, and then on the fourth touch, there are sellers here. I don't trade the trend lines, but I watch for it because I know there are people there who trade it. So it's always very important to keep that in mind. So we swept this liquidity high, right? And then it's possible, right, that could cause a full-blown reversal. But the only reversal I'll be looking for is after 0.79 has been taken out, because okay, we have here as a swing high, here as a swing low, right? So we came here, we took out this high, so it's possible that we just go target this swing low, because as you know, on USDCHF we're bearish as anything. Okay, guys, so keep that in mind as we trade it. Okay. On gold, what can we say, guys? It's bullish. So you can see, so we had the manipulation of these lows and then push up. So for me, I would just be looking for a buy from here or from here. So I'm just looking for that retracement, and then we look for those new additional long positions. Have a good day, guys. I wish you a wonderful trading week. Hopefully I recover properly soon, and then we can continue as usual. Thank you.